At the same of in that one research different types are there. Okay, at the same of in that one, in the given of Oxford Advanced Learner of a Dictionary is the research means a careful investigation or a inquiry of specially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Okay, that means new innovative thoughts implementation of the based on we can set of that innovative information. The next, what are the research objectives? I can also mention in that property of a particular individual or group or situations. That means we can individually research of one topic. At the same of a group of person, they will be research one particular topic. That means what present in the software companies, they are doing of projects. The projects is also one type of research and implementation of in that one. The next of to analyze the frequency with the something occur or its association with something else. That means what the finding we will be search of that one. That is also including of in that one. At the same of hypothesis. What is the causal relationship between the two variables? That means one variable to another variable. We can hypothesis of we can write neatly of in that thinking of what we can find out. The next research methods as well as methodology. In the research methods or the methods that the research adopt for conducting the research studies. The next of research methodology is the way in which research problems are solved systematically. That means in the systematical of research, that means somebody is also different way of research and finding of the objectives at the same of they are also analyzed and implementation of some of the techniques. That is also solve of systematically. The next it is the science of studying how research is conducted scientifically. Okay, in that one it's research methods and methodologies implementation of tools. In the significance of research, all program is born of inquiry. Doubt is often better than overconfidence, for it leads to inquiry and inquiry leads to invention. That means in our research process, definitely will be research of what is the particular point. We can also find out that the objectives at the same of will be inquiry of that one. Okay, and that one inquiry based on will be learn of some of the information at the same of it is also including of research. The next type of research. In the type of research, qualitative and quantitative. The next, both mix of the researcher. Now at present, what I can explain of in that research, I can also explain of in that quality research. Okay, in the quality research, based on first based on that research, I can first will be find out of which one we can also research. That means ఏది రీసెర్చ్ చేయాలి, ఏ దాన్ని రీసెర్చ్ చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ వి విల్ బి డిసైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి చేయాలి, ఏం రీసెర్చ్ చేయాలి, ఏం రీసెర్చ్ చేసి ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, ఎలా జరుగుతుంది, how we can also find out of the research work. That is the first thing. Then we can also find out of some of the research questions. You can prepare of some of the research design of a questionnaire. In that research design of a questionnaire based on will be learn and inquire of which one is also better. Okay, then we will be collecting of information in the questionnaire. Then we will be find out of some of the information. And the based on I can share that screen and I can also find out of some of the information. That means searching of research. I can prepare also in the research model of a summary. That means a questionnaire. I can prepare also in the questionnaire. It's a statistical method. Yeah. In this one, I can also collecting of some of the information in that COVID-19 based on that MSME in Kadapa district area. Okay, I can also prepare of in that objectives at the same of a questionnaire. Okay, the main based on the COVID-19 in the MSME sectors, they are facing of a problem. Okay, what are the problem they are also facing at the same of what is the solution they can also find out in that one. I can also design of in that objectives to evaluate the safety measurement adopted by the MSME towards employees and the consumers. The next, to measure the impact and the influence of COVID-19 MSME in Korpa district, to offer real strategies of MSME during the pandemic. In that based on, I can also prepare often that questionnaires. Okay, in that questionnaire based on, I can also collected of some of the information in our town area of some of the MSME sectors. I can prepare like this role the questionnaire. Questionnaire is the very important of primary data. Okay, it is also primary data of a questionnaire. When you prepare of a genuine of the research questions, okay, what you can also find out of the information, okay, in your research is very important of in that one. In that based on that one,